Good day everyone, I'm Marvy Rose Magno and you can call me Teacher Marvy. Today, we will explore the fascinating animal kingdom and learn about three important phyla. First is Porifera, Coelenterata, and Platyhelminthes. First, we have phylum Porifera. The word Porifera means pore-bearing animals. These are the sponges. Sponges are aquatic and mostly marine animals. They are sessile, meaning they do not move. They feed by filtering water through their bodies using special cells called choanocytes. They also have the ability of regeneration or regrowing body parts. Examples include Grantia, Scypha, and Euplectelia. Next is phylum Coelenterata, also known as hollow-bodied animals. They have a central digestive cavity with only one opening that serves as both mouth and anus. Their tentacles contain stinging cells called nematoses for catching prey and defending themselves. They can take two forms, the polyp form like hydra and the medusa form like jellyfish. The three classes of Coelenterates are hydrozoa or hydras, scyphozoa or jellyfish, and anthozoa or corals and sea anemones. Lastly, we have phylum Platyhelminthes or flatworms. They are flat-bodied animals with simple body structures. They have digestive, nervous, excretory, and reproductive systems. Some are free-living in water, while others are parasitic and live inside other animals or other humans.